Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be telling you about our courses at mathcm.com. Now, our premium course is the Algebra 2 course, which is very, very similar to the Algebra 2 course that you will see in America. This course is a wonderful course, not because I'm telling you it's a wonderful course and I want you to enroll, but also because it sets the foundation for many if not all, the upper level math classes. In fact, this class is so similar to college algebra that if you do well in this class and actually take the SAT, you will score well enough, providing that you've done your diligence, so that you could be even exempt from college algebra at the college level. Um, the topics here are identical. If you're a college algebra student, you can certainly take this course because this course will actually put your performance in college algebra on steroids. You understand what I'm saying? So you will do really well, you'll master the concepts, and you will do really, really well. Now, the next tier, going lower now, that we have on Math CM is actually the Math CM Proficiency course. And this one has about three topics less, but it still has those components that will help someone in Algebra 1 or even Algebra 2 to do very well. So it's still a nice course with very pertinent topics for you to master math generally. No, the lowest tiered course that we have is one that basically shore up the algebra foundation. So you learn things like inequalities and equations, and you venture out on the quadratic equations. When I said equations earlier, I was primarily referring to the linear equations, and then you would transition into the quadratic equations. This course is designed for someone who wants to have a healthy challenge, not super difficult, but just at the level where if you had a okay middle school math understanding, then you'll be able to do really well and set the foundation for for um, for upper level math like algebra 1 or algebra 2 or pre-calculus or calculus, or you know these kinds of things. Even if you are studying under the British system and you're doing IGCSE, or you're doing things like uh, A levels or AS, these lessons in these course will actually help you to shore up your foundation so that you can do great things in math. So there you have it, a little bit about all our math courses at this time to date. There are more courses to come. We're going to be working on an Algebra 2 that Mr. Kavansky Johnson may be doing. And then we'll also work on another course, the calculus. It might seem scary to you. How am I going to do calculus, you may be asking. But from the experience of my students, many of them told me at first they thought calculus would be really difficult and scary. And I've set them at ease, and they have told me how, many of them have told me how they enjoy calculus under my tutelage. No, that course will be coming um, probably soon. I'll just leave it at soon. So this was a little bit about our suite of three courses that we currently have, and you can sign up right away. If you're wondering if you will get a certificate at the end of these courses, you certainly will. You'll get a very nice, presentable certificate of completion. And you can also direct persons to the website if they want to see, what these courses entailed, as well as you could print out the course description and share that to whoever wants to see, what was the content of, for example, math proficiency, math CM proficiency, or math CM mini course. You can certainly go and check that out as well. So all three of these have, actual certificate at the end, certificate of completion. And trust me, I've taught summer schools many times, and sometimes the summer school program is a joke. However, sometimes it's really nice in the schools that I've taught summer schools in. Remember though that a summer school is kind of like it's a situation where you're trying to recover some credit, and so you may not get a full complete lesson, sets of lessons. What I'm saying is, in the school year, for a typical course, you may cover about 9 topics, and you will develop those beautifully. But for summer school, you may focus on the main topics for someone who was not successful during the regular school year. Now, these courses can be used for that purposes, especially the math CM proficiency. It can definitely be used for you know shoring up someone's foundation, for someone who's doing probably an integrated course, or a algebra 2 course, or even an algebra 1 course. The proficiency is the math CM proficiency course is at the level where these persons can actually gain from doing these courses, and they're priced real affordably. So rest assured, you are in good hands. And if you want to kind of see, what the lessons are like in these courses, you can go to the face-to-face courses and look at the course description, and you will see some sample videos for calculus, videos for different topics in the algebra 1 course, or even in an algebra 2 course. You can see that on the one of those face-to-face courses tab. There are sample videos there. However, as we go on, and as we build, and as we help you to master math, and really go on from there, I do trust that you will enjoy what we offer here at Math CM. So thank you for watching, and as always, take care. Bye.